Hi, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. Okay, I'm good. Today I'm making a simple tutorial of a pipe T joint for pipes. Okay, let's start with a new file. Okay, now select right plane, sketch, select a circle. Here make a circle of 20. You can give it dimensions 40. Okay, 20 enough, I think so. Okay, now extrude features, extrude boss base. How much we want to extrude? I want to extrude it at 70 millimeter. Okay, it's enough, 70 millimeter. We want it hollow. Okay, if we want it hollow, so click thin feature. Thin feature, how much? 10 millimeter. I think it enough, 5 millimeter. Okay, 5 millimeter is enough. Now select OK. A simple pipe body is ready for making T-joint. Okay, now select this edge, sketch, this edge. Okay, make a circle from here. I think it would be 17 radius 17. Okay, extrude, extrude 5 millimeter up backward side. Okay, now one more thing, we want just this upper portion, not others, so select here, select controls, we need just this. Okay, you can see here. Our shape is ready. Okay, now one more thing, select this, edit feature, mid plane. Okay, now our object is in mid plane, is at mid plane. Okay, now we can easily mirror this feature. Okay, find here mirror, which plane, select right plane. Okay, mirror. Okay, okay, it's good. Now we will make a circle here at front plane, sketch, pick a circle from here to this end line. Okay, we need this hollow. Okay, this circle, extrude its sketch is offset. Select the offset, how much you want to offset, 10, 20, 30. Okay, 30 is enough. Blind, not blind, we select it up to surface. Up to which surface? This. We want from this surface. Okay. Now one more thing, we need this hollow. If we need this hollow thin feature, how much? 5 millimeter. Okay, 5 is enough. 5 millimeter. And one more thing, other side, we need it inward side, not outward side. Okay, inward side hollow. Take. Okay, you can see here. Now this thing flange we make on this top portion. Okay, again select this, sketch, make circle. From here 15, 17, we need it 17 radius, 17. Okay, now extrude it. Extrude boss base. How much it was? It was 5 millimeter or inward side. And one more thing, we need control just last portion. We need just this portion. Okay, okay, it's equals, all sides are same. Okay, now one more thing, our inner side is not hollow. Still this side is hollow, but this is not hollow. So again select here, sketch, circle, pick a circle from here to this end. Okay, now extrude it as a cut. Extrude as cut. Okay, now we need this cut up to this surface, inner surface. Okay, select here, up to next, up to surface. Okay, we will select up to surface. We need up to this surface. Okay, you can see here. Now this is hollow. Okay, now body is completed. Now extra features, we will fill it. Select fillet. To this surface, and this surface. Okay, here 1 millimeter is enough. Okay, now we add here one more thing, chamfer. This inner circles surface, this surface, and last one, this surface, chamfer. How much chamfer? 1 millimeter chamfer we will add here, is enough. Okay, okay, you can see here our inner surface chamfered. If we need threads in inner side, we can make threads easily, but for beginners simple tutorial is enough. I hope you can learn many things from here. Thanks for watching. I hope you like it.